So I wanted to make some french fries to go with the burgers I was making, but all I had was these sweet potatoes. So I started looking up recipes, and lo and behold, baked, 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 baked. The recipe list looks like me and my friends on a Friday night back in high school, so I was all like, hey, these are called sweet potato fries, not sweet potato bakes. So I wanted to see if these baked potato recipes could indeed hold up against simple fried potatoes, or if these cowards are just scared of using hot oil in their homes. I don't know, because I'm not a chef. I'm just a dude who loves food, grew up eating really good food, and wants to provide the same to my family going forward. So, to test which was the ultimate fry, I made 2 batches. One batch I cut up into appropriate half-inch pieces, soaked in lukewarm salt water, and then shallow fried in an inch of hot vegetable oil, like I would with regular old French fries. The other batch is from the top-rated recipe I found online. Oh, no, wait, that one makes me sign up. Alright, so the second top-rated recipe I found online from the blog called Cookie and Kate. And I'll link it down below because, spoiler alert, they were pretty awesome. I cut them the same, coated them in cornstarch, that same vegetable oil, gave them a good jostle before baking on 425 for about 45 minutes, jostling the heck out of them every 10 minutes or so, and switching racks halfway through the cooking process. The reason for the cornstarch is that apparently sweet potatoes are better for you because they have less starch than regular potatoes. So to make them taste better, you just eliminate their health benefit by giving that starch back to them in corn form. Now, I made these simultaneously, and the fried fries came out about 30 minutes sooner than the oven-baked ones. So I had some nibbles, and I was skeptical that the baked fries could compare to this level of crunchiness. I mean, look at these. They're a nice, dark, golden brown, and their crunch was pretty solid, even though there was a slight chewiness that I didn't enjoy. Yeah, anyway, I decided to top both with just some flaky salt, chopped rosemary, and freshly milled black peppy. Then do the official test alongside some of that incredible roasted garlic aioli from my shrimp roll video. I also brought in the woman that created my high food expectations to give her verdict.
And these are the oven ones. That's not vegan. I'm gonna bite it.
That's good. Oh my gosh. Oven.
Oven?
I say oven.
Even before when you had those fresh.
Yeah. I think I like the oven better.
Okay.
Yeah. They even have more of a crunch.
They do, surprisingly.
And yeah, she chose the oven-baked ones, even though the not hidden camera caught her coming back for more on the fried fries as well. So, which do I think are better for the average home cook? Well, in the case of home cookery, the oven-baked fries are, because they were easier and more efficient in terms of execution. I could bake a whole sheet of oven fries for my family using a lot less effort and with a lot less cleanup and risk than working over the fryer in a tank top like an asshole. If I had a legit deep frying setup though, I would take that cornstarch trick, then toss in the fryer to get the color, crunch, greasiness, and shorter cook time with the full fried fries. So yeah, like most things, this is going to come down to your own personal preference and what you have available to you in your kitchen. The most important thing to note here, though, is that no matter which method you use, you should add some cornstarch to your fries before the oil, top them with some flaky salt, black pepper, and rosemary after cooking, and then dip them in an aioli like this one because it is just a delight. And since this cutting board of fries is the first thing I'm eating today at noon on a Tuesday, I might as well just say fuck it and pop a beer to enjoy with them. Today's is called Pavement from Foam Brewery in Burlington, Vermont, and it is just delightful. So cheers, enjoy your french fries, and as always, keep living an awesome life, my friends. Hope to see you in the next video.